Hi, I'm Chris Giordano with Differentials Plus, and this is Road Ready. Today I wanted to talk about sharing information with your mechanic. When you come in for service and you're having, let's use an example of an intermittent problem, there's no detail too small to share. Some great things that you could tell are the circumstances that it's happening. Is it going fast? Is it going slow? Is it hot? Is it cold out? Are you going up a hill? Are you going down a hill? Maybe you previously had some work done on the vehicle. All these things, although may seem insignificant at the time, could really help your mechanic get on the right direction to repairing your vehicle. If you have any questions about your car, you can find us at 6714 Middle Valley Road. You can reach us at 423-355-1872. You can find us on Facebook at Differentials Plus, or you can find us on the web, differentialsplus.com.